We are going to prepare an Arcturian chamber of light healing. Welcome to this meditation. Welcome to your healing. Welcome the Arcturians in. They are beautiful blue beings, white beings, and golden beings of the highest light, of the highest dimensions, of the highest healing. We welcome them in to share, to show, and to shine. Let them light the way to our healing. Let them show us the ways to heal ourselves. Allow them to heal any aspects within inside of us, outside of us, that need healing at this time. We welcome you in, Arcturians. I may speak some light language throughout this meditation and healing activation chamber. Light language is simply just higher dimensional channeled frequency flowing through my throat chakra, allowing the frequencies to permeate through to your light body, through to your soul blueprint, to activate you and to heal and to unblock anything unnecessary within your auric field. I love you. You are protected. We are all protected. And we are being guided right now up the dimensions, up the dimensional ladder, up into the ethers. For this particular chamber, it may be a good idea to lay down and relax. Do not listen to this while driving or operating any type of machinery, as this will make you drowsy. We are working in with the subconscious mind. We are working in with the light body and the neurological centers of your body, of your brain, the muscular centers of your body, and the light aspects, and the cellular and DNA structures of your body. I would like you to know that there are light beings all around you at all times, and they're always there protecting you, watching over you. But right now, we are calling on and calling forth the strongest healers of the galaxy, of the cosmos, those of which are the Arcturians. For this is their ability to the highest degree. This is what they love to do, is to heal me, to heal you. We are calling forth the Arcturians to come through from the 12th dimension. 𝐓𝐀𝐊𝐿. Some light language, some toning may come through, which again is just frequency. And what I would like for you to do while you're laying down is to just breathe. Breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. The Arcturians are all around us right now. They have put around you a beautiful chamber of light, of the highest technologies and the highest geometries and the highest light frequencies. This photonic light of the beautiful rainbow spectrum of all colors, of all frequencies, and of colors we do not know of yet. These, like lasers, will permeate into your cellular structure, beaming into you with the highest light and love. You may feel some buzzing throughout your body. You may feel some warm flashes, some cold flashes. You may not feel anything at all, and all of this is normal. You may feel a little bit of excitement within your solar plexus, and this too is normal. But they would like you to relax through and to breathe through this. They are working now with the indigo spectrum shining it into your cellular structure, your physical body, and your DNA. And while I'm talking, they are doing this to me as well. You may feel some pressure, some tingles within your ligaments, within your stomach, within your legs, your hands. This is all normal as well. Infusing this beautiful indigo light in throughout all of your being. This is healing us on such a deeper level than we could even comprehend at this time. Now they're moving to a purple light, violet of the deepest, darkest violet. Oh, this is activating the crown. You may feel some tingles at the top of your crown, at the top of your head. This is all normal. You may feel it within your fingertips and your toes, and this too is all normal. They are permeating these light frequencies where they need to be within your specific, unique bodily, physical structure. Just breathe through the healing. Breathe through the photonic light. These are high crystalline infusions. These are amazing to repair your body, to repair your cellular structure. Activating the DNA. Now they are moving to light blue, almost an aqua-y turquoise, skyish blue. I can see it within my third eye, and you may see it within your third eye as well. This also activates the third eye, but mostly the throat chakra. So you may feel tingles or tickles within your throat chakra. This is normal. If you need to cough, do so. If you need to clear your throat, do so. If you need to swallow, do so. Whatever it is that makes you comfortable through these healings and laser integrations, do so. You may feel a little bit of pressure in the throat as they are working their repairs through your cellular structure. And working on the auric field outside of the throat too. Doing both at once simultaneously. While they're working on you, they are also doing repairs on your multidimensional selves. So it isn't just you, it's also all the other versions of you and the higher dimensions of you, all being worked on simultaneously and healed. Now they're moving to the green light. This green laser light, so emerald, so rich, so vibrant, and so beautiful, protruding through our cellular structure as these lasers integrate into our body. I'm feeling a little bit of prickliness throughout my legs and my fingers and my arms, and this is also normal, almost like a pins and needles effect. This color of green is wonderful for the heart chakra, but it's doing multiple repairs throughout your physical body, your cellular structure, your DNA, and also your light body. They feel that is complete. Now we're moving to the yellow light, the yellow photonic light, which is great for the solar plexus chakra. We are definitely getting recalibrated here. This is also great for the middle of the chest, and it also does wonders for the third eye. So while these lights make their way through the places that they're needed throughout our body, allow them to just take place. Allow them to heal you, to upgrade you. You may feel just some excitement move throughout your body. You may feel a little bit of cold, a little bit of almost vitality and freshness sort of feeling is what I'm getting, but we're all different. A beautiful healing process here with the solar plexus chakra. They are pulling light in from their sun and from our sun. This is helping to strengthen our light body. This is really helping us tremendously, receiving tons of codes at this time. You might see codes, light language codes within your third eye. You may also see symbols and geometries, and this is also normal. Different flashes of colors, rainbow light, this is also normal. Breathing through the integrations. Now moving on to the sacral chakra. They are integrating a beautiful, vibrant orange light into the sacral chakra. Throughout the body where this is needed, I'm feeling in the joints. So the wrists, the ankles, the elbows, the knees, and the ligaments. Doing repairs where need be. You may feel a little bit of pressure, a little bit of warmness, a little bit of tingling, and this is normal. And finally moving to the root chakra, where they are emanating a beautiful, bright, deep red scarlet light. And this one moves and permeates through the bottom half of our body, through our bloodstream and the blood crystals within our bloodstream, igniting our crystalline blood structure and the liquids in our body, helping us to remain grounded and stable at all times. You may feel a flush throughout the body, a warm flush, and this is normal. You may feel a little bit of pressure here and there, and this is normal. A little bit of warmth. This is super healing for the body. This will really, really help you tremendously. Some toning wants to come through. As they finish up their repairs, we're going to allow these sound frequencies to come through and seal up the healing process that they have just completed. Dai kirishkurutu dai kiri dai dud isgoroshkai dai di makareshkun ekaya diskurushka dai di diaska edake dai shkurukurashka mahanakai ikai dai tudayo durashkarai kurashkari Inakai diaskaya durashkurushkari. They would like you to drink lots of water after listening to this. But if you're listening before bed, you can simply allow your body to fall asleep and get the rest it needs. Allow all the lights to integrate. But if listening in the morning or during the day, they are advising you to drink lots of water to clear out anything lower vibrational that needs to come through the body and be purged away. Ikoshkmanakaitiskereshkurushka. Ikaraitaititoshkareiteiskored. Ikaraikaideshkuru Ikarashkorotskaraitidaigunahannati. Iskarakaidashkuruti bakareshkiritaikodrashkurut. Allow the light to integrate. Iskorushkanahataiti. Get plenty of sunshine. Ishkmanakatisk. Itotoshkrit. Do some sun gazing. Ikarashkurut edaititishkurut adaitit. Take good care in cleansing your body each day This helps to release anything that needs to be released in your light body field, your auric field. Allow the water to cleanse your aura. They would like you to listen to this once a day for 2 weeks, as this will really benefit your mind, your body, your soul, and your light body. This helps keep you in alignment for all things: love, prosperity, abundance, channeling, meditating, grounding, keeping your chakras in alignment, keeping your physical body strong, vitality, clear thinking of the mind, allowing you to channel higher codes, higher mathematical equations, and higher light quotients, and to hear higher frequency attunements of sound, and to channel light language for your own self-healing. It strengthens this. Make sure you drink plenty of water. Get outside and connect with nature. Your physical body may feel stronger than normal, and you may have more energy than normal, and this is also normal. You will see lots of synchronicities and number synchronicities, so do not be alarmed, as this is very normal as well. Connect with your crystals. If you would like to bring your crystals with you while you do the healing chamber the following evening or day, that would be very beneficial for you, as the crystals then hold these higher dimensional frequencies, and as you carry them with you or keep them by you, they keep emanating the healing through and through, and they also enhance the healing while you're doing so. This increases your mana, your power, your light body. It helps you think clearer. It helps you have peace and calm of mind, lowering anxieties. More self-love, more self-care. Able to emanate more love and light out for the highest good of the planet and all the beings on it. Thank you so much for listening to the Arcturians, allowing them to heal you. Just know that you may see some light ships. They are around your house throughout this, and probably throughout these next 2 weeks. So if you do see some, do not be alarmed. Some are etheric, some will be shown in the physical. You may see light beings here or there, or flashes of blue light, and this is also them. Do not be alarmed, as these are beings of love and light, and they only want what's best for you and humanity and the world. Again, thank you so much for listening, for allowing this healing to occur and take place. Like I said, please listen once a day, day or night, for 2 weeks, to allow the integrations to fully be complete within your body. Thank you so much, and just know that you will be feeling better and better each time you listen to this. Thank you so much for listening, for liking, for commenting, for subscribing. And until next time, have a great day. Bye-bye.